What PC gaming mechanical keyboard layout is best? When it comes to choosing the best mechanical keyboard layout for PC gaming, it really depends on your gaming style and how much desk space you have. Let's break down the most popular layouts to help you decide. First up is the Tenkeyless layout. This type of keyboard removes the numeric keypad, making it more compact than a full-size keyboard. It keeps all the essential keys like function keys, arrow keys, and navigation keys. Many gamers prefer this layout because it allows them to position the keyboard closer to the mouse. This can help reduce strain on your shoulders and wrists during those long gaming sessions. It works well for a variety of games, especially those that requiring complex key bindings like multiplayer online battle arenas and massively multiplayer online role-playing games. Plus, it still has enough utility for work tasks that need function and navigation keys. Next, we have the 75% layout. This layout is slightly smaller than the Tenkeyless option but still retains almost all the keys, except for a few control keys above the arrow cluster. Many 75% keyboards come with handy features like volume knobs and indicator lights. This layout is great for gamers who want a compact keyboard without sacrificing important keys. It strikes a nice balance between functionality and saving desk space. Now let's talk about the 60% layout. This keyboard is very compact as it removes the function row, navigation cluster, and numeric keypad entirely. This maximizes mouse movement space, which is especially beneficial for fast-paced games like first-person shooters and real-time strategy games. However, you will need to use function layers to access secondary functions like function keys and navigation keys, which might take some getting used to. This layout is perfect for gamers who prioritize desk space and mouse mobility. For those who play massively multiplayer online role-playing games or heavily relying on macros, a full-size keyboard might be a better choice. It offers a numeric keypad and more keys for bindings, which can be very helpful. Another thing to consider is the polling rate of the keyboard. Mechanical keyboards with high polling rates, like 8,000 Hz, can reduce input latency, which is a plus for competitive gamers. Customization options, such as hot swappable switches and sound dampening, can also improve your gaming experience, regardless of the layout you choose. Compact layouts like 60%, 65%, and 75% are becoming more popular due to their portability and ergonomic benefits. Ultimately, the Tenkeyless layout is often seen as the best overall for PC gaming because it provides a great mix of functionality and compactness. The 75% layout offers a similar option with some added features, while the 60% layout is ideal for those who want maximum mouse space and minimal desk footprint. Your choice will depend on your specific gaming needs and personal preferences.